The way your old people tell us they come like a coconut trash. That everything coconut go into is nice.
Everything.
Yes.
All right. What's up, guys? Welcome back to our channel. We're here with another video, and we have a special guest with us today. And I know you guys are looking at the background. Yes, it's looking nice. We've seen the comments, we've got the feedback from you guys. But today we're here with Carol from Carol's Kitchen, and she's visiting us from all the way in Grand Cayman. And if you don't know about Carol's Kitchen, visit the link in the description right now. Check out her channel. She have a lot of food over there. You know, enough on the love in the belly too. So just go ahead. You can get breakfast stuff for lunch, stuff for dinner, just different style of things. So, Carol, you can tell us a little bit more about what you do on your channel, and we'll see where we go from there.
Okay. Thank you, Chris, for inviting me to your platform.
It's a pleasure.
First, I am a subscriber of your platform, and I always look forward and watching your videos. However, I'm here from Carol's Kitchen, as Chris said, to tell you a little more about what I do on my platform, right? The Carol's Kitchen prepare meals, showing you how to cook healthy and how to eat healthy. Of course, today we're in a fast food world, fast chain food world, but I try to stay away from that because I want to eat healthy. I know when you eat healthy, you look better.
Live
You also
longer.
live longer.
Yeah.
So I try to promote that on my platform where persons cook healthy. So you're not just watching my channel because it's not just about any other channel.
Yeah.
You're watching because you're gonna get a healthy way of cooking, healthy style. When you're done, you know that was good for your body.
Yeah.
And you can also tell somebody about it.
All right. So, and as she says, she promotes healthy meals. I know that we grew up a particular way. I always hear people talk about using this kind of spice or using this bush or you buy this kind of seasoning. But what kind of seasoning do you normally use when you're cooking?
Okay. And as you know, as we were growing up, we used to using a lot of powder season. And the powder season is they're processed.
Yeah.
And they're filled with preservatives. All right. So I don't really cook with the powder seasoning. There's just one powder season that I really cook with, and it's called Nature's Made. Nature's Made only combined garlic, onion,
Yeah.
just garlic and onion and pepper. And so it's more like on the natural side. But what I do, I get my onion, my garlic, and my fresh scallion or your green onion, if you want to call it that. And we combine those together with some pimento, ground up, and all the natural stuff. Your Scotch bonnet pepper, of course, you Jamaican love your Scotch bonnet pepper, and then we rub that in together and create your own season. So that will make it so natural. So move away from the powdered stuff. You don't want that MSG. You don't want that all the stuff that preserve it, and then that's not really good for your body. It's not really good for your soul. So that's my main focus in cooking natural. So keep it natural. Visit Carol's Kitchen. You see all the natural stuff. It's come over here.
Trust me, if you guys go over on our YouTube channel, you'll realize the stuff that you actually use on there. Even meals that we would normally be preparing, there are certain things that we would not add to the food, but there are other ways of cooking the same meal.
That's right.
All right.
That's
So
right.
even though you're used to frying a chicken a particular way, or you have this particular ingredient for your rice and peas, there are other ways in which you can prepare the meal, and she's showing you just that on her channel.
Right.
But while I was watching, I realized that there are particular stuff that you use in almost every video.
That's right. It's
Right?
called my signature
So, all right. So
ingredient.
I don't want you to give them your signature, but tell us some of the things that you must have when you're preparing your meals.
Okay, in Carol's Kitchen, some of the ingredients you'll find that you must have to get that taste like Carol's Kitchen is a coconut oil. That pressed coconut oil, 100%. Usually I source it out of Jamaica, right? Or whenever I can get it, otherwise I'll source it. But it's that 100% pressed coconut oil, and also your coconut freshly picked and blend. And you get that natural juice. And if you're doing fish, you just put that down on your fish and just taste so natural. I mean, you eat your finger off. You also lick the plate. You're Jamaican people talk about you lick a plate or you lick a big finger. That's what happened in Carl's Kitchen. Keep it natural with coconut oil.
Yeah, but you know, look, for me personally, I don't like the coconut oil.
You don't want.
I don't like the scent. I don't really like the taste. But when it comes down to the coconut milk, I'm not so much big on the powder.
Right, so preservative again.
Yeah, so even the last cooking video that we did on our channel with the curry shrimp, we got the we got the fresh coconut, and we just blend it and we got our juice from it. And that's something that I've always seen on Carol's Kitchen. Right. And it just give your food a different taste.
Different taste.
So she show you on there you can get your Christmas cake. Guys, Christmas come every year.
It's every single year. It's coming up.
We're in summer now. By the time I quit, it's Christmas time.
3-4 months to go.
So instead of going out there to order cake from somebody, visit her channel. She give you the ingredients and she show you how she makes her signature Christmas cake with her fruits and everything. All right, and over the years
we
now,
ship overseas too.
You ship overseas as well.
Ship overseas. You make your payment and PayPal.
Yeah.
And ship it to you.
All right, so I'll get all that information. I'll leave that in the description as well, so you know. So when Christmas time come, you know, have no excuse. All right.
No, where to get
Put in your order from early if you don't want to do it yourself, and you can get your Christmas cake. She also have some porridge on the channel. Like I say, you can get breakfast things.
Yeah,
things
I can
for lunch.
saltfish.
I can saltfish.
American porridge.
All right. What is this? Carol's Kitchen chicken soup.
Yes.
Guys, there's everything on the channel when it comes on to food.
That's right.
And even though she's living in Cayman, you have only for Jamaican roots.
But the Jamaican roots are there, and food is shipped to us, so we're not short of Jamaican food. So you get that Jamaican taste that you so wanted, so require the taste that you're missing.
Yeah.
When you come a yard, you can get it right there, Brad.
And then all of that now is because of the natural ingredients.
Natural ingredients.
Because once you go the processed food, it's almost like say it's a total different taste you're going to get.
That's right.
All
and Carol Kitchens take small catering. So if you give me enough time and you have a small catering for about 10 people, or maybe up to 25, providing you book on time, there's a small catering service on Carol's Kitchen. All
right, so for persons watching from Grand Cayman, the catering part of this is for you. Yes. And in the event that you want Carol to come and cater for you in Jamaica or even in America,
fly me out.
Tell her from early. She carry her ingredients and she's there. All right, so guys, like I said, we are all into healthy food.
Yes, healthy food now.
Just enough time. Can't bother me just blend up one little smoothie with some fruits and
that's
things.
That's healthy too.
But like she said, it's a time for us to eat healthy. I mean, I say you can't go visit your local fast food place. No one
once in a while, yes.
But it's not something that you really want to be
every day.
Yeah. So guys, I really enjoy watching our contents. There are some things I've talked about this one. Have you guys ever seen somebody boil dumpling, banana, yam and them something in a coconut milk?
Yes.
Your channel is the first place actually.
It's run down. So Cayman style run down, yes.
I've never seen it
Is
before, and I was amazed
okay,
by
once
it.
I run down, they put the fish on the top. Oh, you eat the plate off. That is so nice.
So
You should try it.
it's a one pot
It's
meal.
called a one pot.
Wow,
Okay,
guys.
in Jamaica, we call it rundown. They will actually cook the
Yeah,
coconut milk
normally no
different.
rundown
They
cook
boil the
separate
food
from
different, and
yeah.
you eat it as a gravy. But this put on everything in the cook down in the coconut milk. It is nice. Some dumpling and piece of cassava. So Jamaican call it turn up the dish, turn up.
Listen, when if you show a piece of that video there too, because I personally never know that people cook dumpling and cook their food with coconut milk,
Very
like boil it in the
nice.
coconut
Even
milk.
the white rice too. White rice with a dice of pumpkin.
Yeah.
Call it coconut rice. That will that's without the peas.
So you see, I need to go check out the
Yeah.
channel. There are so many things that you can learn, so many things that you think you know, but you really don't know. And if you used to cooking your food with just the regular cooking oil, like you say, you can go over, try the coconut oil. You might like it. Like I say, I've tried it before. I don't like it. But everybody have a different
Different
taste.
thing. And you will acquire the taste after a
Yeah.
while. It's healthier. And one of the reasons why we're zero and the fact that you need to eat healthy is that look at today where we're living in now. There's so much medication.
Yeah.
Every second person you meet is on a bag of medication, right? So it's a result of them not even eating properly. They're eating
Yeah.
too much preserving food. And again, remember fast food is now fast food chain is now taking over the world. And then our young people is now getting adapted to that taste.
Yeah.
So when you give them the natural food, they do not
it
really, it tastes
like,
different.
yeah.
It's not really tasting there, it's the best, but then they have not yet acquired the taste. So that's the reason why I'm preaching to people, please, people, eat healthy. Because the tablets are not good for you. And if you allow your body to break down with the food that are not nutritious,
Yeah.
then you're gonna be ending up bad and ending up on a tablet or some medication we have to take to balance your body. Right?
All right.
So that is very important.
So
By
guys,
emphasizing that we eat healthy.
you heard it from Carol. You heard it here on Chris Sam's. You can so we don't promote healthy living. You can so we don't promote wealth. You can so we don't tell if you buy the house and buy the car, but you see what you put inside your body, it's also very, very important.
You could have a really nice mansion house and you can't even live to enjoy it.
That's
because
it.
what? There wasn't eating healthy.
No.
So on top of the list here is health,
Healthy living.
then wealth.
So some of the things that she will putting out there, she will be giving you even the simplest ingredients that you use in your house, like ginger,
Just onion and ginger.
onion and stuff. She can give you some of the benefits and things like that on it. So make sure you go over there, subscribe to the channel, turn on the post notification bell. Guys, me no watch foolishness.
And please subscribe.
Me no watch foolishness. So go subscribe to Carol's Kitchen. And don't tell me say no know to find it. I just put it on the screen.
Yes.
I'm gonna leave the link in the description below. So thank you guys for watching.
Thank you so much.
Thank Carol for stopping by for a short time.
Me to come on your platform.
All right.
Talk about my business.
All right.
Stay healthy.
Guys.
Stay away from the preservative food.
Tell them again. Healthy living. Help you to build wealth, and will promote long life. So thank you guys for joining us, and we will catch you in another video. If you have not yet subscribed to our channel, you have 2 channels to subscribe to. Chris Sam's and Carol's Kitchen. Remember to like the videos, leave your comment down below. If you want to know if you can put coconut in a ackee, or if you want to put coconut in a kalalu,
Nice
you can ask Carol. She can tell you.
Nice and a kalalu too.
You put coconut in a kalalu?
Yes, you steam yeah, you can use a little bit of a thick part of the coconut milk to steam the kalalu. Very nice.
Me never know that.
Yeah. The way your old people tell us they come like a coconut trash. That everything coconut going to
everything.
Nice. Yes.
All right. If you want to look nice and live nice life,
old time people used to use coconut oil on them skin and they couldn't afford lotion. Okay. It's a lot to talk about, but let's get it short. We'll come back again on another episode of how to eat healthy and stay healthy. Peace out.
If you don't see Carol on my channel again, you know where to find her. All right. So take care, guys, and we'll see you in another video. All right. Yeah.
Thank you.